Veteran Telugu actor Mohan Babu is now finding himself in the spotlight as there's a murder allegation against him, accused of killing actor Soundarya. Soundarya, remember, was one of the top actors in the Telugu film industry, and she died 22 years ago in a plane crash. He's been accused, in fact, of having had a role in her murder. She's a very popular Kannada actor and a Telugu actor. The complaint has been filed with the Andhra police. Soundarya died in a 2004 chopper crash. She and her brother passed away in that particular incident. According to, in fact, the complaint, Soundarya was actually killed over a property feud, and the complainant claims that Mohan Babu, veteran Telugu actor, was also involved in this particular incident, that Soundarya was killed because she refused to sell her property. Now, this has led to, in fact, a sensational revelation rather coming to the fore. We're waiting for Mohan Babu's reaction on this, but a social activist has actually filed this complaint against Mohan Babu, claiming he was responsible for the accident that took place. This was, in fact, a chopper crash that had taken place 22 years ago, in which Soundarya and her brother had died. According to, in fact, the complainant, Mohan Babu, the Telugu superstar, had actually asked Soundarya to sell a 6-acre guest house in Shamshabad, to which she and her brother had refused. And soon after that, she unfortunately passed away along with her brother, who was also in that chopper. Apurva Jayachandran is joining us with more details on this. Apurva, these are serious allegations against Mohan Babu. And while the complainant is alleged that he was involved or this was some sort of a property feud gone wrong, has there been any statement that's come in from the veteran actor?
Well, not in fact, remember, there have already been several allegations against Mohan Babu, not in this case, but in fact earlier on in his family dealings only there have been several cases, even in the recent past as well, with his son, where there have been several allegations and fights that had been ongoing. And at this same time, now you're saying that this allegation has come out. This time, wherein not only the person saying that there had been a property issue between the late actor Soundarya and Mohan Babu as well. But more importantly, so he says that now his life is also more likely under pressure as well by Mohan Babu, is what he's gone ahead and stated. This was at Khammam today, where he has also gone and given a representation to the Khammam rural officer as well, requesting for protection for his life, that he fears Mohan Babu will do him harm.
All right. Thanks, Apurva, for joining us with those details. We'll await a statement from Mohan Babu on the serious allegations against him.